Oh my god. That's all. That was it. Holy shit. Fuck. Oh my god. Have a seat up.
That's fucking so good. Holy shit. That's crazy.
Back adjustment. Probably fix your neck as well. Jesus. All right. So I'm not even going to touch down here, right?
Yeah.
So let's have a feel. So you feel that in there, right? That's where most of the issue is, right?
Yeah.
Let's go down here. Let's see what happens. The other side's going to be the main one for you. Bring this forward a bit. Can you not feel any of that in there?
I'm just used to it by now. Like I don't know, it's hard to tell.
There's absolutely no reason why this should be sitting up this high and not falling down there. I'll just say that. That full. Oh my god. That's all. That was it. Holy shit. Fuck. Oh my god. Have a seat up. Fuck, bro. Oh my god. I told you that was the one.
Dude.
Back adjustment. Probably fix your neck as well. Sweet. Cool. How's that in there now?
Way better.
Yeah. So like I couldn't push through there at all before. And I didn't even touch you there. You know what I mean? I didn't even adjust you there. I adjusted up here, through here.
Yeah.
So that's like, yeah, that's good now. Cool. No complaints?
No. Awesome.
Any questions?
No, I think so.
So, yeah, look at that. Dude, I wish I recorded that before. Oh my god. How's that feel when you do that?
Way more chill.
Bit still, but
Yeah. No, it's crazy different.
yeah. Cool, man. Thanks
Thank
very
you.
much.